I'm Madeline Harvey. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Are you ready to test your head voice? Well, you came to the right place because we are going to do this right now. What we're looking for as we do our head voice test is clear, crisp sound. We don't want to drag the energy and we don't want to reach up to it. Now, I have set you up a little bit intentionally for this to be difficult. So we're going to jump between C5 and C6. And we're going to jump back and forth 3 times. And we're going to do this rather quickly because we're looking at a couple things. Again, we want that quick response. And we also don't want to pull anything up. We don't want that energy to drag. And we're looking for clarity on that top note. As we jump, your volume should be relatively similar. So if you've got to go louder as you go higher, that lets you know that you might be overcompensating with air to reach that note. So let's just get a baseline. We'll do a quick exercise and then we'll test again. So for your ear, just like that. You ready? So we're going to do that C5 twice to kind of root us in a sense of placement. So here we go. Good. One test again. Here we go. Good job. Was it easy? Was it difficult? Or do you need something to give you a little bit more of a way to tune into that? Well, I've got you covered. So we're going to work quickly. We're going to do a little bit of staccato work, and we're going to do it on G-O-O. Goo. Now, there's a couple reasons for this. Ooh, because a narrowed vowel is easier to handle and to maintain and to negotiate with than a big open ah or o. So we've got the vowel working for us, but what we really want to concentrate on is that G sound. G has natural compression. That means that just when you make that G sound, it's going to dip the larynx low into a beautiful position, and it's going to bring the edges of the chords together. It's going to create a little bit of compression, which is a natural, very subtle, very gentle squeeze to suck those chords together. That's what we need. If you've ever noticed that your voice gets like breathy as you go higher, you're losing that natural closure. So we're using that G to create that closure. So we're going to go just quickly, and it doesn't matter if the pitch is right. It doesn't matter. We're using the pitch as a framework for that sensation. So be more about the connection of the voice. Goo, 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 goo. Right? You should be able to float easily through these 4 notes and then back without having to goo, 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 without reaching up to it. Come at it right from there. Here we go. Goo, 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 goo. 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 Goo, 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 goo. Hear that ping? Goo, 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 goo. Good. Have that vowel be the release. That G is setting you up so the pressure's already there. So just feel the release of that top note. Let's try it again. Goo, 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 goo. Goo, 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 goo. 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 Let's try that one again. Now, why are we trying it again? Because I want to make sure that we're not going as we get to that top note. Even if it didn't sound like it, we don't want that sensation because that's letting us know that we're spreading and that larynx is going to start to lift. And that's not a good situation for higher notes. Here we go. Keep it on ooh. Goo, 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 goo. Good. Goo, 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 goo. Goo, 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 goo. One more. Let's try that one again, because again, it's C6. It's really high. So I wouldn't blame you. I wouldn't blame you if you felt like you needed to pull up just to reach up to it. But we're trying to get our pressure in the right place. So what we'll do is we'll just keep doing it over and over to kind of tune in. What does that place feel like? Here we go. Win some, you lose some, right? Try it again. There it is. Good. Your body will get a sense of interiorly what does it need to do to make sure that it's not wasting any energy to try to reach up to that C6. Good. Let's take it back down. Let's try that one again. Very good. Now, I did say something. I did say that we would try it a little staccato, and I literally went into a legato scale. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. The idea is don't pull the weight up from the notes underneath it. So if I'm, again, right around this A, I don't want on that A5, that's got to be the shining crystal moment, right? So I've got to set it up on the first note. I can't just reach, and we don't want to reinforce that reach behavior. So we're trying to give it everything that it needs to release the sound right at the very beginning. So G, natural closure, natural compression. Ooh, makes a beautiful trumpet shape out of the vocal tract, so it gives a nice release to it. You don't have to work outside of that. Good. Very, very good. Very good. So let's retest. This is mostly for funsies, okay? So don't take it serious. I mean, take it seriously, but don't take it too seriously. You see what I'm saying? Don't think that you're a failure if you didn't get it, if you didn't get it perfectly. Most of the time, we gotta play our way into the sensation. So we're gonna go on ha, ha, ha. I wanted to jump there. You see that? I want to go, ha! I totally did. But we're jumping. We're jumping, Madeline. We're jumping back and forth, back and forth. We're being agile and being quick about it. That was easier. Do you guys feel? Let's try it again. That was easier. That C6 felt like tossing a frisbee. And that is the point. So if you liked this quick little exercise and you want to check out the entire live that I just did, where we did multiple exercises to sharpen up our head voice, get a little bit more strength and control, then click that join button below and become a member of this channel. As a member, you'll have exclusive access to all of our lives that we do every Monday and Thursday at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. But if you can't make the live, that's okay. You'll also have exclusive access to our members only area with hundreds of hours worth of vocal instruction. So there's something there for everybody, depending on your skill level or what you're interested in learning about your voice. So again, just click that join button. It's only $4.99 a month, and your contribution helps to support our channel. That way we can continue to deliver awesome content for you. And if you liked today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up or click that subscribe button below. I would love to see you here more often. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you next time. Bye!